Good morning, students. Okay, we have completed 2 lessons, isn't it? What is the first lesson? Poonam's Day Out. Poonam's Day Out. Second lesson is what? Plant Fairy. Okay, in first lesson what we learnt, ma? We can see on small recap. The 2 lessons we can see on small recap because next week we are going to have a model test. Okay, so small recap. In first lesson what we learnt? We learnt about animals. What are the animals are they? Terrestrial animal, arboreal animal, aquatic animal, amphibian animal. Isn't it? 4 types of animal. What is meant by terrestrial animal? Yes, the terrestrial animal means that lives on land. Shall we see some animals? Yes, look at here. Lion, tiger, cow, dog. These are all lives on land, no? So these are called a terrestrial animal. Next, what is meant by aquatic animal? Is animals that lives in water. Animals that lives in where? Water. What are the animals? Fish, octopus, starfish. There's so many animals are there, no? Yes, the animals that lives in water is known as aquatic animal. Next, arboreal animal. Arboreal animal means what? Animal that lives on tree. Animal that lives on tree is known as arboreal animal. What animal? Monkey, bird, chameleon, ant. That and all lives on tree only, no? Yes, that and all arboreal animal. Next, amphibian animal. It's a special kind of animal that lives on both land and water. Animal that lives on both land and water, isn't it? What are the animals that lives on land and water? Crocodile, snake, frog, snail. So many animals are there. They can live in land as well as water also. Next up, that we learned, no, that then what we learned, we should not hurt the animals, we should save the animal. Then second lesson is what? About plants. We learned about plants. So when animals and plants are the main source of the food. Isn't it? Animal and plants are the main source of the food for us. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Now the second lesson, plant fairy. What we learned? We learned about plants. No. The plants, how many types plants are there? Yes, 5 types. What are they? Trees, herbs, shrubs, climber, creeper. The trees means what? The very strong and big plants are called trees. See how many branches, isn't it? The tree, see the trunk of the tree. So how thick is known as a trunk. We should not call a stem. Okay, that for tree and all, it's a very big no. So it is a trunk. Then the trunk is helpful for us what? To make so many furnitures, door, window, everything. Not only that. I told you your paper, pencil, eraser, everything we are taking from the trunk of the tree only. And not only that, there's so many animals, the houses, so many animals lives on the tree. So the trees are home of many animals. Yes, sir. The birds or keep nest on the tree only, no. So so many animals lives on the tree. And then not only the very important one, water. The trees gives a fresh air. Trees give a fresh air and very nice rain. The rain is very important, no. If we get rain only, we can able to eat our food. Without rain, we can't grow any plant or nothing, no. So water is very important. For rain, what we have to do? We have to plant the trees. Yes. Next, shrubs. What is meant by shrubs? Yes, smaller than tree. The shrubs are smaller than tree. It's a bushy plant. What can name some kinds of shrubs? Rose plant, hibiscus, mehendi. There's so many plants are there, isn't it? It has a thick browny stem. It can't broke up. Okay, it will be little strong only. Next, herbs. The herbs are very small plants, very small bushy plants, and also it called seasonal plants. It lives for once a season only. When we cut it, again it want to grow. For example, paddy, mint, what else? The next one, that aloe vera, that and all known as what? Herbs. From the herbs we are getting so many medicines also. Next, climber. Climber means what? The very weak stem. It can't stand straight, it can't grow straightly because the stem is very weak. So it needs some support to stand, and they need some support to stand means what they need. They need a wall, they need some window, they need stick, or otherwise they need some other plant. With the help of that only they will grow up. For example, what are the climbers? Grapevine, money plant. There's so many climbers are there. You go and observe, okay? And next to last one, what? Creeper. The creepers grow along in the ground only. It will not grow up. It grow along only in the ground. So watermelon, pumpkin, that and all what? Creeper. That and all comes under the creeper. Next, what we learned in that lesson about the leaves. No, have you all learned the leaves are very important to the plant because the leaves are only prepare the food. So the leaves are called what? What the leaves are called? Kitchen of the plant. The leaves are called kitchen of the plant. The leaves only prepare the food. How they prepare the food? With the help of what? Is sunlight, air, water. With the help of the sunlight, air, water only, the leaves will prepare the food. For that food preparation, what we called? Photosynthesis. Yes or no? Have you remember? Yes, good. The food preparation is known as the process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, the lower surface of the leaves, what will be there? Lower surface of the leaves, what will be there? The tiny holes. That holes are called stomata. And not only that, not only the food preparation, and it also helps us to give a fresh air. No, what is that? Oxygen. They used to give a oxygen. The plants also breathe. I told you the plants also breathe in and breathe out. What they will breathe in? They breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. What we will do? We will breathe in oxygen, breathe out carbon dioxide. Yes, the help of the plants only we are breathing itself. So how important? No? So the trees and plants and animals are very important to our human life. Okay. Next, I told to do some leaf activity. No, really you all did very well, ma. I will show some example models. Okay, some students are sent to me last week. I will show it now. Next, tomorrow, what you have to do means everyone should present at 10:30 means 10:30 itself. Because tomorrow we are having a quiz competition. Tomorrow what we are having? Quiz competition. Yeah, you have to attend on that time and you want to attend answer. Now on that time itself you have to tell the answer. Okay, how we are going to conduct means first ma'am will call 3 names. Okay, ma'am will call 3 names. For example, Lingesh, Srivardhan, Satya. So ma'am will call the 3 names. The 3 students alone want to answer. Others alone should not answer. Only the 3 students want to type the answers. Like that, ma'am will call the attendance order. Ma'am will call all the names in attendance order. Only the particular name students only want to answer. Everyone should not send the answer. Okay. Only the 3 students want to. But you have to, when you have to answer, in the video time itself you have to answer. Saturday what time class for us? 10:30 to 11:30. No. In that time itself, ma'am will call your name. You have to send the answer in that time itself. If you send in the afternoon or evening means that answers is correct also, it will not consider. Okay. You all sit on that time 10:30 means you all should sit on 10:30. So ma'am call your name and I will ask one question. You have to type the answer and send it in the comment section. Okay. Today so you take practice of how to type your name fastly. Okay. So you have to type your name first and the answer. If I am calling Lingesh, yeah, what will Lingesh want to do? Lingesh should type the name and answer. That's all. So today you take practice how to type your name very fast. Okay. Now 3 students only I will call. Tomorrow more or less I will call everyone and everyone try to answer. Okay. That whose answer coming first, they are the first. And whose answer coming second, they are second. Whose answer coming third, they are third. And some of them tell wrong answer, it will not take. Some of them not in the class. After they send also, that answer will not take. Okay. Shall we meet tomorrow? Okay. In assignment column, I send the question answer of the second lesson. Okay, I'll send the question answer. You all write it in the classwork. How we wrote in the first lesson. How we wrote the first lesson. Same like that you have to write. Okay. First write the index. Take a new page. Put the date, heading, Roman number, and question answer. Short answers. Okay. First write the Roman number 1 short answer and write the question answer. Okay. I'll send it in your assignment column. And what homework tomorrow? What homework? That first lesson we learned what we learned that how to save the animal. That question one detailed answer. You write the detailed answer 2 times and send it in the assignment. Okay. Classwork you no need to send. Okay. Classwork you just copy neatly and keep it with you and send only your assignment, homework assignment. Okay. That save the animals that you have to write 2 times and send it. And write the classwork in your previous classwork note. Are you all understand? No any confusions? No? If you have any confusions, please ask in your comment section. Ma'am will answer you. Okay, I told no some students have sent the that leaf activity. Shall we see now? Okay, some of them sent to me in the photo. Now I'll show to you. Okay, how they did. Janvi, this is Janvi's assignment. Vishwa, Mitra, Bishar, Kavian, Sahasri Pranab. Nice, no? They all did nicely. Meghan, Deepika. Deepika did that this experiment. What is that? That I told you the root water observe. That experiment she did. She took the photo and sent it. And Pragati. Pragati also did that root observe experiment. Okay. Okay, you all did know? Good. So, okay, we can see in the next class. You all do your homework. Okay. Thank you, children.